In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to contact a seller or shop on Temu in a few simple steps. Whether you've got a question about a product or you need to follow up on an order, reaching out to the seller directly is often the best way to get the information you need. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Temu website. If you haven't yet, log into your account. Make sure you have your username and password ready to go so that you can access all of your account's features seamlessly. Once you're logged in, it's time to search for the product you're interested in. There are a couple of ways you can do this. You might have a specific product in mind, in which case you can use the search bar to quickly locate it. Alternatively, if you're just browsing, click through the categories until you find something that catches your eye. After you found the product, go ahead and click on it to open the product detail page. This page is going to provide you with tons of information about the item, but what we're interested in is a little further down the page. As you scroll, pay attention to the sections that list details about the seller. You're looking for a part of the page labeled sold by or perhaps the shop name itself. This is crucial because it will give you access to the next step, which is where we make direct contact with the seller. Once you spot the shop name or sold by label, you're going to want to tap or click on the shop name. This action will take you over to the store's profile. Now, this is where you can usually find more information about the seller, including other products they might offer, their reviews, and of course, our primary focus, how to contact them. Now, focus on finding an option that says contact or message. These buttons are usually prominently displayed, but if you don't see them immediately, take a closer look around the store profile. Clicking on this option will open up a chat window, allowing you to draft your message directly to the seller. Be clear and concise in your message, whether you're asking about shipping times, product specifications, or anything else. The more specific you are, the better chance you have of receiving a prompt and accurate response. Once you've written your message, hit send. And that's it. You've successfully contacted the seller. All that's left is to wait for a reply, which you should receive through Temu's communication platform. Remember, patience can be key depending on time zones and the seller's availability. Hopefully, this guide has shown you just how simple it can be to reach out to a Temu seller. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.